What broke you today? My daughter's been asking about her mom a lot lately. She's 6 now and starting to understand death more. Yesterday, she asked if we could visit Mom. When we got there, she just stood there staring at her grave, then asked, "Dad, why doesn't Mommy ever visit us?" I tried to explain again that Mommy can't come back, but she just started crying and said, "But I need her and it's not fair." I didn't know what to say. How do you tell a kid that life isn't fair? She laid down on the grass, next to the grave, and wouldn't get up. Just kept saying, "Mommy, please come home," over and over again. I ended up having to carry her back to the car, and she cried herself to sleep that night. I feel like I'm failing her. I miss my wife so much, and watching our daughter suffer just makes it hurt even more.